How to make paper from recycled paper. You can make your own paper from recycled sources by following the steps outlined below. You will need recycled paper, a blender or food processor, a basin or stopped sink, a mold and decal, a flat surface, a damp cloth, an iron, and 2 wet pieces of fabric. Optional, 2 flat picture frames, and a screen. Step 1. Tear up several sheets of the recycled paper. Tear it until the pieces are postage stamp sized and then place them in the blender or food processor. Recycled paper sources include tissue, computer paper, paper bags, and envelopes. Newsprint contains too much ink. Step 2. Add water to the blender and then blend the mixture for 30 seconds or until you see paper fibers evenly dispersed in cloudy water. Step 3. Pour the pulp into a large basin or stopped sink. Continue blending and adding pulp until the sink or basin is half full. Step 4. Place the decal on top of the paper mold. Dip them into the pulp at a 45-degree angle and draw them toward you. If you can't find a mold and decal at a craft store, construct your own from 2 flat picture frames with a screen attached to one of them. Step 5. Raise the mold and decal to the surface in a continuous motion, and then remove them from the pulp. Allow the water to drain away. Step 6. Remove the decal and transfer the layer of pulp to a flat surface covered by a damp cloth by placing the mold upside down on the surface and then raising it up. Step 7. Let the paper dry. If you wish, you can iron the wet piece of handmade paper between 2 sheets of fabric. Did you know, in China, paper was invented in the year 105 by a Chinese eunuch?